welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Evie Rose and today I'll be showing you how I created this beautiful, simple, smoky eye.
Stop! That's what it's called!
If you do want to see how I created this beautiful, smoky eye, just keep on watching. Okay, don't mind my hair. We'll fix it after we're done doing your makeup. So I've started doing my eyebrows last, but for the sake of this video, I am gonna show you how I do my eyebrows completely, because it's a little bit different than I have done before. And I've noticed I used to not like doing my eyebrows last because I'm very messy. Not messy, but like when it comes to doing my makeup. So now doing it last actually helps me way better and getting them super precise because I have a full face of makeup and I know I have to get them perfect. But not today, we're gonna do it differently. So I'm gonna grab this Butter London palette and a very little an angled brush like that for your eyebrows. And I'm gonna dip into this brown color right here. Can you see? Oh look, there I am, hi. Anyways, I'm gonna dip into that powder and just kind of tap it off. Grab any spoolie and just brush your eyebrows upward. I've been letting my eyebrows grow and I'm actually pretty happy. Can you see that? Right here, there's like some missing hairs, but they're better. All right, so I always like to start from the bottom, make a straight line. And I like to only go just a little bit underneath where my hairs are. And I'm just following that line. And then I'm gonna see where my eyebrow should stop. So that's perfect. Just gonna bring it down a little bit. And the top, let me see if I can. Do you see where my hairs are? Like, don't look at my nails, they're ugly. Do you see right here? Let's see. And this side of my eyebrow, that's where I'm gonna go ahead and shade it in more. I'm just bringing that and just lightly brush that through. I don't care too much for the bottom because we're gonna go ahead and fix that with some concealer. And then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill all of that and up to here. Then you'll see why. So now we are gonna brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eyebrow and I'll be right back. Okay, now that my eyebrows look super weird, we're gonna go and with whatever's left on the brush, start painting that. And brushing. You're gonna grab your foundation of your choice that you're gonna use for your face. And on the back of my hand, I'm just gonna remove that extra product and start cutting that to your liking. You see? We just fixed it. Way better. Good enough. I'm not even gonna focus on getting my eyebrows like twins. Okay, so now let's move on with our eyeshadow. I'm gonna grab this CoverGirl. I need to go buy some Tarte Shape because I like the Tarte Shape. This is like a dupe for that, but I feel like this dries a little bit quicker than the Tarte Shape, and I really like the Tarte Shape. Works amazing, I love it. And it's a little bit too light for me. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. Okay, so does anyone have this problem that I have like a lot of freaking foundations? Because before I used to be like very pink. I am very pink in my face, but my tone was more like of a pink, and then it went to like a yellow tone, and now I'm just like, I don't know what it is. I think I'm just in between like the pink and the yellow, so more like of a neutral color. And during the summertime, I do get a lot, like super red, so that's why I'm like none of my foundation matches, and I need to go get new one. Eyeshadow. So I'm gonna grab my Morphe palette, the 39A. So I'm gonna grab this little fluffy brush like that. I am gonna start with this color right here. So since I have really hooded eyes, can you see? Like, this is all the lid space I pretty much have. I like to extend that and look ridiculous like this. And you see where that line is right here? Like, this is where my bone is. That's where we're gonna apply this color. Like right there. Yep. Let's look ridiculous just like this. And just tap, tap, tap. You don't want to start blending yet, because then you're just gonna remove all that color. It's gonna look patchy and you don't want that. And then you'll see how we're gonna do this. Okay, that's fine. Use this Morphe M502 brush, and it doesn't have any color. See? You see where I'm kind of like holding it from? And then we're gonna start going in slow circular motions, and take your time with this. You see, I'm literally just going like this. So here, you can decide if you want it to be kind of like this, or if you want it to be round. Right now, I'm not sure. Let's see, yeah. Then we're gonna leave it round, so since we're gonna end up cutting out this part right here, that's gonna be
perfect. So blend, circular motions.
Do you see how it's creating a different color already? That's what we want. Okay, now once we look like this, like a raccoon, I'm gonna grab a fluffier brush. It doesn't have any color either. I'm gonna grab this Tarte Park Avenue Princess, and I'm gonna grab this color right here. And we're just gonna blend. So I'm going left, right, and then I do in some circular motions. Left, right, circular. You see how it's already kind of looking way better? Tell me why I decided to do a smoky eye in the middle of the week on a Wednesday at, what time is it? I'm blind. What time? It's like 2 something. Like, who does that? Only psycho people. So with whatever is on this brush, I'm just gonna add a little bit more right here, left and right. This time you can blend it, that's fine. Just so it gives it a little bit of more definition. Oh, great. I just dipped into a color. Great, I have black eyeshadow on my fingernail. Damn it. Guys, it's not taking off. I'm gonna have black fingernail. Oh gosh. Anyways, blend. Let's keep going. And you don't want to like freaking press it in. You just want to lightly tap it. Like feathering it.
Camera's really catching it, but like up here, it has a really nice color, and I
think my camera's catching it. Now with the same brush, I am gonna grab this color right here. Just kind of go like this and work my way up to my brow bone. Just gonna leave a little bit of space right here. Okay, now that it looks like that, you see how it went from this to this? We're on a good track. Guys, I'm so tempted of doing this green. Okay, no, we'll do green another time. I'm gonna grab this color right here. And I'm gonna start applying that. Ooh, that is so pretty. This eyeshadow is like a little bit creamier because it's like, it has glitters in it. Okay. Gonna work my way up.
Gently. And then gently just tap. You see how pretty it's looking already? Gently.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. I'm back and I look like a raccoon. We are gonna clean up underneath here with this concealer brush.
I forgot to mention we're going to be adding some sienna lashes from the Makeup Shack.
While we allow the eyelash glue to dry, we're going to apply some mascara. And I can't find it. Be right back. I found it. Is the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic. I'm not feeling these lashes anymore. Or actually, yeah, they look good. I'm over here drying with the box when you have. Okay, lashes are on. Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation and the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I'm done with my foundation and my makeup. Now I'm gonna do the under eyes. We're gonna grab that color that we first used on our eyes, and we're gonna just apply that to the waterline. Just like that. Now that we've applied that, I'm gonna go ahead and finish it with some mascara. And then I'm just gonna brush my natural lashes upward to my fake ones. You see the difference now? That looks way better. My phone's dying, I have to hurry. God damn it. Okay, I don't have to hurry up anymore because my phone is charged. It's plugged in. There we go. So I think I'm gonna do this one and mix it in with like this purplish pinkish color. This one is No Flocks Given by Glam. And the other one is Baile. So I'm gonna mix these two. Start with the No Flocks Given, mainly on the outer. Okay. I'm actually liking it just like this. You know what? I'm gonna leave it. I really like this color. Or should I add it? Hold on, I need to see. Okay. So I'm gonna leave this color and I'm gonna go ahead and do something about my hair and change it to a better shirt, because this does not go with my face. So I'll be right back in a second and you'll see the final look. Okay, so this is the completed look. I did go ahead and fix my hair a little bit, so now it's nice and pretty, well, decent. So this is the final look. If you did, go ahead and like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. No.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you did enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, beauties!